With Evergreen's applications, financial context is always at hand. I can instantly see up-to-date WIP, debt, client monies where relevant, and a snapshot of recent activity. And because it all sits within Teams, there's no need to switch systems. Getting insights couldn't be simpler. Just ask Copilot within Evergreen. Let's find out the WIP for this matter by its reference, but you could use the matter or client name instead. Copilot gives you the key metrics visually: unbilled fees, disbursements, outstanding billing, and totals. All this is within Teams, so no swapping of applications or platforms. Using Matter Insights as a fee earner, I get immediate visibility of my financial performance and time without having to ask finance or run reports. Straight away, I can see my fees billed month to date and year to date, alongside my chargeable hours for the same periods, so I always know where I stand. I also have a clear view of my current work in progress, highlighting exactly what's sitting unbilled and where I need to take action to keep things moving. From the same dashboard, I can quickly access my total WIP outstanding debt and any client money held on account, giving me a complete financial picture without needing to switch systems. I can also review life-to-date performance and recent activity, helping me understand trends over time and stay on top of what's been happening across my matters. It's easy to compare chargeable versus non-chargeable hours, review work statistics, and really understand how my time is being spent day to day. As a Matter partner, I have a wider perspective. With Matter Insights, I can monitor my team's performance in areas like revenue, chargeable hours, and progress against targets.